Good morning, guys. It's not that bad, really, is it? 50? Let me know if you're already 50. It's depressing me. My boss, the boss of my real job, Herman, said to me earlier this week, I won't do the German accent, well, that's the first half over. Made me feel much better. Thank you, Herman. Yeah, got up early, couldn't sleep. Did the Guardian crossword. One across. Prevent from happening. Kibosh. And that's exactly what's happened. Ordered a load of stuff this week. None of it's turned up. The only thing turned up is this butterfly valve, RJT butterfly valve, that's missing the O-rings, so I can't use it. I've ordered O-rings now. I didn't realise they don't come with O-rings. I just assumed that they would because you kind of need them. Anyway, didn't show up. Also, the 120 degree hose didn't turn up. BSP to RJT adapters didn't turn up. Floor paint didn't turn up. And the hose tails I ordered didn't turn up. So swift rethink of the plans this morning. I'm going to go to B&Q, get a load of wood. We're going to do the top of the cold rooms. Going to board them off. I'm going to get some more foam, Celotex foam insulation or Reticel or whatever it was, to get that HLT finished off. I'm going to buy loads of spray foam and plastic trim to seal up the holes in the outside of the building. Need to measure up a few things, but I'm just going to wing it because I know the panels that I'm thinking about will fit on top, but I also need some wood to box off that section where the water pipe comes in, so we'll have a crack at that too, subject to time. I do want to get back mid-afternoon. I'm not working tomorrow on this little weekend project, so we can celebrate my second half. I'll see you down there. Here we go. A bit easier today to get in the car, that is. We got 6 boards. I forgot I need to do the top as well, so I've got an extra board to go with the spare one back at the brewery. 4 packs of 1 metre each, or just over a metre actually, of the OSB, spray foam, some speed fit fittings for the pump, no more nails, bit more silver tape. I think I'm going to need that for the HLT, and double-sided tape and some new blades. I've squirted me squirty foam. I always do that. Way too much. I did some in the bathroom a couple of years ago, picking it out of my chest hair for weeks. Horrible stuff. Been more careful today. Well, I think I've been more careful. Have a look inside. See what's come through the other side of the gap. Oops. I could just leave that hanging there because I'm going to board this off now. I've got to go back anyway to probably Screwfix or somewhere to get some more of this foil tape. That's the backing paper off it. I've used quite a bit. I started just with the intention of just sealing the obvious gaps, and then I thought, you know what, for the sake of half an hour, just do it all. Except it took an hour. So it's completely sealed in there once the door's on, which isn't made yet. And Dave's gone on holiday. And I've started on this one, then my tape ran out. A few little gaps here and there. You can't really see it, but I can see light through that. So definitely needs doing. I've boarded the top off. It's reasonably secure. You don't want to walk on it. Some of the joins in the planks are not supported, so I'm happy to go up on this ladder and just slide things across, but I won't be wandering around on top up there. And anything that is up there is I've made sure it's over some sort of support, so they're fine up there, but not my 100 kilos. Looks a bit tidier up there now. So off to Screwfix, get some more bits and pieces. Out of time. Wasn't there a number plate with the out of time on it? And Back to the Future, I think there was. I need to get that. Right, it's not perfect, but it's watertight. So foamed, put some strip up the side there. I've actually put stainless steel screws in it because it's functional, it works, and the air holes are just got the foam in still. I just need a thin bit of UPVC strip to block that gap off, but that's done. Once it's set, I can take them screws out, just fill the holes with white sanitary sealant or something. All my bits and bobs up there now. I've foiled all the cracks, so I think that looks ace actually. I think it looks really good. Just got to get the doors on, but I'm really pleased with that. And I've just got the first board in. I'll get those 3 boards in, and then we'll paint. In fact, we're going to paint all of that, so it'll look a bit mix and match, but it's good enough. So we've got three big boards, a couple more over there to fill that gap in, and I'm going to mount the tap on it the stop tap, that is, so I can knock it off when I go home, and obviously the bib tap for the hose pipe will go on it too. So doesn't look much, but that's been all day, non-stop, and I'm on my own today, so makes it twice as hard. Right, birthday boy's going home. Catch you next time.